Dreaming of Bora Bora's turquoise waters on a budget? You might be making mistakes that could cost you. Let's dive into the top 5 blunders travelers make when planning a budget-friendly trip to this tropical paradise. First up, timing is everything. Many overlook the off-peak seasons from November to March, missing out on lower rates and a quieter island vibe. Remember, Bora Bora's allure isn't seasonal, and your wallet will thank you for visiting during these months. Next, don't dismiss all-inclusive packages as a luxury splurge. These can actually streamline your budget, covering meals, activities, and transfers. It's about finding the right package that balances cost with the value of convenience. Thirdly, don't be trapped by resort dining. The local food scene is rich with flavors and friendly on the budget. From seafood food trucks to traditional Polynesian eateries, you'll get an authentic taste of the island without the hefty price tag. Fourth, rethink your transport. Swap out pricey private charters for public transport, bicycles, or even a scenic walk. Bora Bora isn't vast, and many of its treasures are accessible without a hefty fare. Lastly, never underestimate the power of research. The internet is your ally in uncovering budget-friendly gems. From accommodations to excursions, a little digging goes a long way in crafting an affordable, unforgettable journey. Avoid these pitfalls, and you're on your way to a budget-friendly Bora Bora adventure that's as rich in experiences as it is kind to your bank account. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.